Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings here again. We are in Allen, Oklahoma, working on the basement, and we just finished caulking and taping and putting up our vapor barrier. So we're about to cover the floors so we can seal the foundation. You can see everything is caulked and taped, attached to the wall. And we have a double basin here. We chose this side because this was full of water. Outside you would never notice, but that's one of the hardest things, is deciding where you want to put the pump. But this house was large enough that we didn't want to put drains all the way around. So just so happens, since this is a walkout, we're able to relieve the pressure on both sides with basins, and being guaranteed. You'll notice our AC is up off the floor, stairs, everything's been cut out to make sure that we are able to have access to the floor all the way around. And here we go. And now I'm walking to the back part of the room. So we'll be able to see that we're putting in, we have the final basin in on the back side of the room, and everything is sealed, so it's now ready for us.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe or visit us at